Thanks for logging on to WCBI.com/weather. I'm meteorologist Jacob Dickey. I'm expecting much of the same today that we've seen the past few days. Hot, humid, chance for a few isolated showers and storms out there. Best odds will be in the afternoon hours. Notice Futurecast keeps us mostly sunny to partly cloudy into the afternoon hours here. I think after lunch, notice some pop-up showers out there. I think we'll call it isolated in nature. This may be overdoing it just a little bit. We'll have to wait and see. If you get a shower, it will cool you off temporarily. And I expect most of those showers to wrap up by the time dinner rolls around. Still can't rule out an isolated shower before sunset. And we'll dry things out as we head into tonight. As far as temperatures today, I really think that we're going to climb into the low to middle 90s out there. I've got us at 94 in Tupelo, 93 in Houston, and in Pontotoc, 94 in Bruce. Into the Golden Triangle and West Alabama, same thing for us. 93 in Soldier, and in Vernon, 94 in Aliceville. Columbus, 94. We'll see Starkville at 93. Macon also at 94. I think we get to 91 in Louisville and in Ackerman later on today. Now, the heat and humidity remains for another few days here. There's change in the forecast, and that can be attributed to some changes to our south and our north. We're seeing heat index values through Saturday, I think, still into the triple digits as high temperatures generally stay into the 90s out there. By Sunday, though, there's a little change that comes on in, and that's partially thanks to a little disturbance off to our south and to our east, a tropical low that will slide off to the north and to the west. I think it stays out of our area until probably Monday into Tuesday, but even by Saturday, things should cool down a little bit with some more clouds, maybe a few showers out there as far as things go. Not expecting too much yet on Saturday. As far as that, though, that low needs to be watched. We need to keep our eyes on the tropics now. This morning, some new information showing the two waves that are far out in the Atlantic still have 20% chance. It's this wave coming into Florida now, has medium odds of formation, and has 50% chance of forming over the next 5 days as it moves into the Gulf of Mexico. That brings it into concern for us here, as the next name on the list is Tropical Storm Humberto. Here we can look at it here. And not very organized yet. It'll take some time. I think the good news with a system like this, it does not have much time over water, so we're not expecting anything rapidly to develop and to strengthen significantly, but it has to be watched on the particular path it's going. Again, Humberto is the next name. We've already had 7 different named storms. It would be the 8th named storm if it does in fact form. We'll be sure and keep you updated on that. Now, as that low comes on in, I'm calling it a wild card weekend, Sunday into Tuesday. A boundary will stall out over our area Saturday into Sunday. And that's going to help to weaken a ridge of high pressure in the southeast, I think. And that's going to leave some different options for us here. Still a little bit of uncertainty with what exactly happens. But notice I've got 3 different tracks outlined. If that ridge of high pressure is weakened enough, it could take a sharp northeast turn towards the Alabama-Georgia region. It could stay down along the coast if that boundary is a little stronger. And it may very well come right up through our area. Still some uncertainty. I'm leaning towards the center track to be perhaps one of the better options, but I think it may slow down and stall out in the Gulf. So still is some options that are there. I think the next 7 days, the rainfall potential showing kind of the same thing. It seems like the heaviest rain is off to our south for the most part. I really think that regardless of what happens as this tropical low comes in, it'll be feast or famine. You'll get either some good beneficial rains, and some parts in our area will likely miss out. We'll be sure and keep you updated in that as far as the next 7 days go. I brought up the chance for some scattered showers and storms on Monday and on Tuesday a bit. We'll be sure and keep our eyes all the way through the weekend.